You want to tell us story B, by the way? Or our second
Yeah.
news story of the week?
Over-tourism backlash intensifies across Europe and Japan.
Yeah. It seems to be like the news that I'm getting every freaking week, that either a country is trying to push back on over tourism, and I'm telling you, it's bad.
Yeah.
Everybody's
I know Venice is feeling it, and now Japan is starting to feel it, so for sure.
yeah. I mean,
Venice saw fresh
like,
protests overcrowding and wealthy
yeah,
tourists.
so basically, Glasgow levy is projected to raise about $16 million a year, while Kyoto's tax hike reaches to a 900% increase on its most expensive hotel stay. So they're really trying to
900% increase?
yeah,
They're
because
trying to deter visitors.
100%, because they don't have the infra. Like one thing is like, oh, it's great for the economy, but one thing is that when you overstrain your infrastructure and stuff like that, then that causes issues.
Yeah.
And not only that, when you have a lot of people in one place, they're kind of destroying your place. You know, because individually humans are nice, as collectively where it is.
Yeah, we could be a bit much.
Yeah. So pretty much, and hold on, I got a good stat here that I wanted to say. So summer over tourism, Venice saw fresh protests, overcrowding, and wealthy tourists. And then I said the Glasgow and the Kyoto. This is a part of a global shift to promote tourism at all costs, right? To protect the community first, which I agree with that. You got to protect. I mean, the reason why everybody loves these places is because it's these places, and if you start over tourism, it's like look at the Fountain of Trevi. Like you can't.
Yeah.
Now you need to buy a ticket, and you have to wait in line to see a freaking fountain.
Yeah, that kind of stuff. Well, and it also ruins from the experience too of the tourists and the locals. So I think on both ends, it kind of has its downfall.
Yeah.
Is this the responsible destination management or a popular city starting to treat their own visitors as a problem?
Yeah, it's I'm telling you, I think that this is gonna change the way people travel. Now we're gonna start sending them to like Cambodia and shit. Not so much like Italy. We need to expand the world a little bit and say, stop going to this one place, everybody.
But I feel like that's what happens when it becomes Instagram famous.
Yeah, it's a problem.
And then everybody wants to experience it.
Yeah, but now, like, we need to, guide people away from that. And you being in the front lines, Karen.
So we're going to book them to Croatia.
Yeah, like book them to, like, I don't know, Uganda and shit. And then throw them in there and say, look, this is a great place.
Uganda's hot right now.
Like, literally. It's like 105 degrees. But, yeah. So that's that. Again.